Sure. Bob, does the fact that the victim, Melodee, is the alleged murderer's daughter factor into the state's plans, or acts of violence within a family handled differently in a trial? How could we see that changing?
Absolutely. So homicide prosecutors tried death penalty cases. Killing a parent killing their child is, in fact, another aggravating factor, including the aggravating factor for the death penalty of cruel, heinous, and in California, the kind of acts that would be depraved by their definition. But I agree with my colleague here. There's a moratorium on it, and so they're going to go through the analysis of why go through all of the expense and trauma of a death penalty case, because it's very hard for prosecutors, I've tried them, to try death penalty cases when in the end analysis you're not going to get the ultimate punishment. So yes, it's an aggravating factor. It certainly will factor into the judge's sentence. But as far as the decision by the prosecutors on a death penalty, I was a little surprised that they said two things. Just the last point, that one, we can't tell you why. It would seem to be something that I, as a public official, would have gotten out there. And secondly, that they've sealed the arrest affidavit, which leads me to believe there's more investigation, and possibly they believe somebody else may have been involved. Just a thought.
Sure. And Bob, make a prediction here. Will prosecutors be able to get life without parole? Do you anticipate an insanity defense as well?
Absolutely. As a good prosecutor, you're going to investigate the insanity defense right now. You're going to show every aspect of conduct that's goal-oriented to show that she knew what she did was wrong. There is so much in here, the wigs, the changing of the license plates, the flight, the hiding, the not cooperating with police, that I think prosecutors will easily prove or disprove any mental health defense that's advanced.